Hello guys. I'm Olga and greet you a beautiful day and may you all good. Please don't forget to subscribe to AngelMahgel, like and comments too. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook a porridge with filament crab stick. Okay, just fry filament crab in a pan with onion and garlic. Let it cook for a while until cooked. After that we can put now the rice. Put water and mix the rice. Add salt. Add pepper. Add ginger. Add 1 bowl of corn. Mix it well. Then cover. Open the cover and check if the rice is cooked now. It's dry now and need to add more water. Mix it again and again. Now open the cover and check if cooked already. It's boiling and I can feel it's almost done. It's cooked now and get ready for a bowl to get a porridge. It's done, and what a lovely porridge, and so many filament crab at the top. Looks so delicious, cannot wait to taste it. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye guys.